When I see you up close.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and today I'm going to take you through what's in my natural beauty bag. So the first thing today is the Super Greens Cleansing Oil. I love this product because it melts away all of my makeup from the day and I can cleanse it off nicely. Previously, I was using a synthetic micellar water, and since discovering Sukin micellar cleansing water, I love that I can find a natural alternative that takes away the rest of the impurities on my skin. Next up, I use the Hydrating Mist Toner. I love putting this in the fridge on those hot days and spritzing it over my face. I got this Sukin hand cream in a gift pack and I absolutely love it now. The lavender smells beautiful and is so calming. I love using the Sukin detoxifying mask at least once a week. It's great for removing all impurities in my skin. Next up, I use the Sukin SPF. I love that I can find a natural SPF product that protects my skin every day. I love using the Sukin Hydrating Hair Mask. I love to style my hair, and so it's really important that I hydrate it once a week. And that's everything in my natural beauty bag. Thanks so much for watching.